Hello everyone, welcome to Mah B.Ed Education. Jai Hind. In this particular video, we will discuss about GK and current affairs, most expected questions regarding Maharashtra B.Ed CET. So guys, this is a part number 3, and as we discussed the part first and second over here, if you are forgetting to watch it out, so please watch it out. Link is available in the description, and you are the new family member of this particular Mah B.Ed Education, so please subscribe our channel in the YouTube, which is called the Mah B.Ed Education. Okay, so let us discuss one by one. So as you know, we have a very last time to prepare the GK and current affairs section regarding the Maharashtra B.Ed CET. So you required a last moment strategy, you required a proper guidance, and you required a proper study material. So if you are preparing for the B.Ed entrances examinations, and if you are targeting to top B.Ed colleges, so don't worry, batches launched by the Mah B.Ed Education, where you can get the live classroom coaching, ebooks, shortcut trick for the time reduction management, doubt solving session, recorded videos for the future reference, topic wise test, mock test, WhatsApp group where you can solve your queries with the help of the faculty members in this particular WhatsApp group. And you can also get the 10,000 plus question series, and you can also get the mentorship program over here. And if you are looking for classroom coaching at the Mumbai, so we have 3 centers: Dadar, Borivali, and the Vasai. So you can visit our center also, and you can also visit our website, which is called the manaveredu.com/B.Ed entrance. After the completion of this particular series, we will also visit this particular site where you can observe that which kind of the program is available in this particular portal, and which kind of the benefit you can take it from this one. Okay, so what are you waiting for, guys? Book your seat now on 8828581455. So let us discuss the first question over here. So first question is that which tennis player won the Mexican Open title 2022? जी हाँ, Mexican Open title 2022 के जो टेनिस प्लेयर है, किसने इसको विन किया है, ये आपको यहाँ पर बताना है. So correct answer is the Rafael Nadal. Let us discuss the description over here. Rafael Nadal defeated the Cameron Norris 6x4 to win the Mexican Open 2022. He also extended his best ever start of his career at 50-0. Okay, as he won his 91st ATP title, Nadal won his 3rd title in 2022, including the Australian Open for his record 21st Grand Slam singles title. Okay, so you have to remember the correct answer is the Rafael Nadal, and you can see this particular image over here. Okay, let us discuss the next question. Which Indian city created a new Guinness World Record of largest display of oil lamps? Okay, so पूरी की पूरी जो ऑयल क्लैंप यहाँ पर बनाई गई थी, और इन्होंने एक रिकॉर्ड ब्रेक किया है, उसका नाम भी लिखा गया है गिनीज वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड के अंदर. सो ऐसा इंडिया का कौन सा सिटी था, ये आपको यहाँ पर बताना है. सो करेक्ट आंसर इज द उज्जैन. लेट अस डिस्कस द डिस्क्रिप्शन ओवर हियर. द सिटी ऑफ उज्जैन इन मध्य प्रदेश, ऑल्सो नोन एज द लैंड ऑफ महाकाल, created a new Guinness World Record of largest display of oil lamps. You can see this particular image over here. Okay, the event named Shiv Jyoti Arpanam was hosted by the state government's culture department and executed by this particular city administration. Okay, so it included lighting more than 11.71 lakh lamps. जी हाँ, 11.71 ओके लाख लैंप यहाँ पर बनाए गए हैं, और ओकेजन ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर महाशिवरात्रि के तौर पर. ठीक है, तो करेक्ट आंसर आपका कौन सा रहेगा? उज्जैन. लेट अस डिस्कस द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. As per the WII's recent report, which tiger reserve has more tiger density above its carrying capacity? जी हाँ, सो करेक्ट आंसर होगा सुंदरबन. यहाँ पर आप लोग देख सकते हैं उसका फोटो. Let us discuss the description. The Sundarbans in West Bengal has more tigers than the mangrove delta can carry, as per the Wildlife Institute of India's preliminary report. Okay. The report has been prepared based on the recent tiger census and focuses on the surge in human-wildlife conflict in this particular zone. So, as per this report, we can say that in this hostile terrain, the carrying capacity is 3 to 5 tiger per 100 square kilometer, and in multiple blocks, the density is more than that. Okay, so correct answer is about the Sundarban. Let us discuss about the next question. Which is the venue of the 2022 ICC Women's Cricket World Cup? ओके, सो आईसीसी वुमेन्स क्रिकेट वर्ल्ड कप जो 2022 में होने वाला है, वो कहां पर होगा? सो करेक्ट आंसर इज अबाउट द न्यूजीलैंड. Let us discuss about the description. The 12th edition of the Women's Cricket World Cup 2022, ICC Women's Cricket World Cup is being held in New Zealand. You can see this particular flag of the New Zealand. It was originally scheduled in 2021 but was postponed by 1 year due to this particular COVID-19 pandemic. Okay, so New Zealand qualified as host, while all other qualification places determined by the ICC rankings. In this first round, India beat Pakistan by 107 runs. Okay, so correct answer is the New Zealand, जो यहाँ पर हुआ था. Okay, let us discuss the next question. Which country topped the medal tally in the ISSF World Cup 2022? So correct answer is the India. Let us discuss the description. सबसे पहली चीज याद रख लो कि जो शूटिंग के बारे में आप लोगों को क्वेश्चंस पूछे जा सकते हैं क्योंकि ये ट्रेंडिंग में चल रहा है, इसकी वजह से. सो इंडिया टॉप द मेडल टैली इन द ISSF वर्ल्ड कप 2022. गाइस, कैन यू टेल मी इन द कमेंट सेक्शन व्हाट इज द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ द ISSF? ओके, सो रिगार्डिंग दिस पर्टिकुलर वर्ल्ड कप 2022 इन कैरो, इजिप्ट, विद अ टोटल ऑफ 4 gold, 2 silver and 1 bronze medals over here. Okay, Norway was at second place in India with the 6 medals. India's gold medal winner are women's 25 pistol team जिसका नाम है राही Sornobat, Ishasi and Rhythm Sangwan. Okay, and if we talk about the men's 10-meter air pistol category, Ishasi, उसके बाद आपको याद रखना है निविथा एंड रुचिरा वेंकर. ओके, रिगार्डिंग दी मेंस 10-meter एयर पिस्टल रिगार्डिंग दी सौरभ चौधरी, एंड वुमेन के लिए ईशा, निविथा एंड रुचिरा याद रखना है. एंड इफ यू टॉक अबाउट द 25-meter रैपिड फायर पिस्टल मिक्स्ड टीम, सो रिदम एंड अनीश को याद रख सकते हैं. ठीक है, सो लेट अस डिस्कस अबाउट द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Which Indian player won the silver medal in German Open 2022 tournament? German Open 2022 टूर्नामेंट जो हुई थी उसमें किस व्यक्ति ने जो सिल्वर मेडल हासिल किया था और भारत को खिताब जिताया था? सो करेक्ट आंसर इज दैट लक्ष्य सेन. Let us discuss about the description. You can see this particular photo of the Lakshya Sen. Indian badminton player Lakshya Sen met Thailand's AK player and world number 1 over here, 20 Connolet Wittisdam in the men's singles finals of German Open 2022. Lakshya Sen, who took medical breaks for blisters, settled for silver after he put up a great fight against Witzeran. Okay, so Lakshya Sen has started preparing for all the England Open week that is coming up soon. So correct answer is the option number C. Let us discuss about the next question. Which is the first state in the country to use crop diversification index? So correct answer is that Telangana. Let us discuss about the description. For the first time in the country, Telangana has begun recording crop diversification patterns in the form of an index. Okay, so according to the crop diversification index, the state grew 77 varieties with about 10 crops, mostly grains preferred for diversification. Also, the index will serve as a base for future crop diversification in this particular state. So you can see this image over here, and that is a Telangana state. Okay, let us discuss about the next question. Who is the winner of the Stockholm Water Prize 2022? Stockholm Water Prize 2022 की जो विनर है उसका आपको नाम बताना है. ठीक है, सो करेक्ट आंसर इज द विल्फ्रिड ब्रूटसेरिट. ओके, सो यू कैन ऑल्सो सी दिस पर्टिकुलर डिस्क्रिप्शन ओवर हियर. द रिनोन्ड हाइड्रोलॉजिस्ट विल्फ्रिड इज awarded the Stockholm Water Prize 2022 for his outstanding work to quantify environmental evaporation. Okay, Professor Emeritus Wilfred, fondly known as the Mr. Evaporation, and is the world's leading authority on the terrestrial evaporation. Okay, you can see this particular image over here. His work helped to make accurate predictions of the impact that climate change has on local rainfall patterns and water sources. Okay, so correct answer is the option number A. Let us discuss about the next question. The Great Wall of India and the second longest wall of the world is located in which of these following state or union territory? You can see this particular image over here. So can you identify that, guys? please pause the video and identify which kind of the particular image over here. Okay, so that is the correct answer about the Rajasthan. Let us discuss the description over here. Kumbhalgarh, आप लोगों ने नाम तो सुना ही होगा, also known as the Great Wall of India, is a fort on the range of Aravalli Hills near Udaipur of Rajasthan state. Is it clear? So it is second longest wall of the world after the Great Wall of China. The formation of Rajasthan on 30th March is celebrated as Rajasthan Divas. On 13th March 1949, the princely states of Jodhpur, Jaipur, Jaisalmer and Bikaner merged to form a Greater Rajasthan Union. 2022 marks 73rd years of Rajasthan Divas. Okay, so correct answer is about the Rajasthan. Let us discuss about the next question. What is the name of the second P-8I aircraft squadron commissioned into the Navy? So correct answer is the Condors. Okay, P-8I एयरक्राफ्ट स्क्वाड्रन कमीशन जो नेवी में हुआ था, ठीक है, उसका नाम क्या है ये आपको बताना था. सो करेक्ट आंसर है कॉन्डोर्स. ओके, लेट अस डिस्कस अबाउट द डिस्क्रिप्शन. इंडियन नेवी कमीशनड इट्स सेकंड P-8I एयरक्राफ्ट स्क्वाड्रन इनटू द नेवी. INAS 316 has been christened Condors, which are one of the largest flying land birds with a huge wingspan. You can see this particular image over here. INAS 316 will operate the Boeing P-8I aircraft, a multi-role long-range maritime reconnaissance, anti-submarine warfare LRMR ASW एयरक्राफ्ट जिसको बोला जाता है. ठीक है, सो इट कैन बी इक्विप्ड विथ अ रेंज ऑफ एयर टू शिप मिसाइल्स एंड ऑल्सो द टॉर्पीडोज. ठीक है दोस्तों, आप मुझे बता सकते हैं कि टॉर्पीडोज कहां से फायर किया जा सकता है. ठीक है, सो आप लोगों को मुझे ये कमेंट सेक्शन में बताना है रिगार्डिंग द जनरल नॉलेज. ओके, सो लेट अस विजिट आवर दिस पर्टिकुलर वेबसाइट which is called the manoeuvredu.com/B.ed entrance. So whenever you type in this particular portal regarding this one the URL, so you can see this particular web page over here. So यहाँ पर आपको बाय ऑनलाइन दिखेगा, वहां पर क्लिक कीजिए. आपको जाना है B.ed एंट्रेंस के अंदर. जब भी आप B.ed एंट्रेंस को क्लिक आउट करेंगे, you can see this particular web page over here and you can also identify these particular programs. Okay, so there is the programs over here: full course program, book study material program, mock test program, sectional course program, live classroom and for admin only. Okay, so first of all, if you feel that if you study about the full course, so please click it out and enroll in this program regarding the Maharashtra B.Ed Cet 2022 program, where you can get the video lectures, mock tests, handouts also, and take the benefit from this particular one. But you have to enroll in this particular program. You can also enroll in this program which is called the Maharashtra B.Ed Cet 2023 program, where you can get the video lectures, mock tests as well as the handouts. So if you feel that you have to prepare regarding the self study also, so you can prepare like this one. Okay, सो यहाँ से आप उसको एनरोल कर सकते हैं और वहाँ से उसका बेनिफिट ले सकते हैं. इफ़ यू फील दैट कि you are lagging in this particular section. okay, so यहाँ पर लॉजिकल रीजनिंग है. अगर आप ऐसा मानते हैं कि आपका लॉजिकल रीजनिंग थोड़ा कमजोर है regarding the B.Ed Cet 2022, so you can enroll in this particular program and enhance your skill regarding the logical reasoning. Similarly, this program is also available regarding the GK and current affairs, verbal and critical reasoning, teacher aptitude workshop and also English section. So if you feel that you are very lagging in this particular section, so please enroll in this particular program and take the benefit from one and enhance your skill. And I want to tell you honestly, whenever you have a very less time to prepare this kind of the particular examination, so you have to give the mock test. Okay, to check your and to identify your last moment level. Okay, so you have to also enroll in this particular mock test program regarding the B.Ed entrance topic wise test, where you can get the 62 test for the logic, 22 tests for the English and 20 tests for the GK. You can also enroll in this particular program which is called the Maharashtra B.Ed 2022 mock test booster, where you can get the sectional test regarding the 16 2 mini test and 10 full length test over here. So enroll in this particular program and take the benefit from one and enhance your skill. So that's it for this particular site visit. So दोस्तों, अगर आप ऐसा मानते हैं कि आपके जो फ्रेंड सर्कल है वो प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं 2022 और 2023 के लिए regarding the B.Ed entrance, so please recommend this particular video to your friends, where you can get the live classroom coaching, books, mock tests, interview tips, mentorship program. And if you are looking for the online and live classroom coaching, so just contact on 8828581455. And if you are looking for classroom coaching at the Mumbai, so we have 3 centers, Borivali, Vasai and the Dadar, and you can also visit our center also, and you can also visit our website, which is called the maneveredu.com. And guys, if you are the new family member of this particular Manever Education, so please subscribe our channel in the YouTube, which is called the Manever Education. And guys, part number 3. Okay, we discuss about the part 1st and 2nd. If you are forgetting to watch it out, so please watch it out. Link is available in the description over here. And guys, आपके friends, family member and colleagues जो prepare करते हैं B.Ed entrance के लिए, तो आप उसको ये वीडियो recommend कर सकते हैं. We will meet in the next session. We will make it up to the part number 5. So we will meet in the next session. Thank you. Jai Hind and bye bye.